Hi, I'm going to teach you how to make a snowflake. I do a club every Friday afternoon at my school, and this was the lesson I did last week. You start with a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and fold it diagonally to make a perfect square. You're going to cut the extra off. You now take this triangle and fold it in half. You want to make sure you press all of your creases very well. You have a smaller triangle. You're now going to hold it up with point facing your chest and fold about 1/3 of the way so that the paper comes off the line of the triangle, and then fold the other side back. You now have a triangle that has a line that you're going to cut off again. I typically start on the solid side because it's a little easier. You can cut any design you would like. It does not matter. I cut a lot of triangles because they're easy to get the scissors in and out, especially for little hands. On the side that opened previously, I'm going to cut a different design. Kind of like a crescent moon. Just take a chunk out. It actually looks really pretty when you open it up. I'm going to take one more little small triangle out the bottom. Okay, so my final snowflake will look like this. All right, now you know how to make a snowflake. Have a great evening. Bye.